Robinhood vs TD Ameritrade, which broker is better? About Robinhood. Robinhood is super beginner-friendly, clean mobile app, very easy to trade. No fees on stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto trades. Trade popular cryptocurrencies directly in the app. Quick access to funds, limited amount instantly. Start investing with as little as $1. About TD Ameritrade, highly respected desktop and mobile trading platform for advanced traders. Excellent resources for both beginners and pros, videos, articles, webinars, etc. You can't trade crypto directly, only crypto-related products. 24/7 customer service, branches, and real human help. Choose Robinhood if you want ultra simplicity, crypto trading, and a clean mobile app. Choose TD Ameritrade if you want long-term flexibility, more investment options, and access to one of the best platforms for learning and analysis. Thanks for watching.